Hey guys, today I've got a Yale Y210C/51. C is for closed shackle, of course. It's got a boron shackle. Once you get a chain in here, you're not going to be able to get at that to cut it, and not going to have much luck cutting it anyways, it being a boron shackle. Solid steel construction, 5-pin core, and the Yale Y1 keyway, I believe. Let's get it up here in the vise and see what we can do. Use our 40 thousandths top of the keyway from Sparrows and our southward medium hook. Let's get zoomed in here for you a little bit. And let's see what we can do. Felt like a little bit of a turn on one, not much. Oh, false set out of 2. Try and get underneath 3 here. Getting counter rotation on 3. And I keep slipping off of them. There we go. Wow, that's kind of a tight click. A little bit more of a turn on 4, just barely touched him. And counter rotation out of him too. Come on. Oh, get stuck right there. Check and see if somebody else slipped down. There we go. Just needed a little bit more of a nudge, I guess. And I think this is 5 back here, giving us counter rotation. Come on. And we got an open. Alright. Let's see what we got here. It's a kick cylinder with an adapter to make it fit in the padlock. That's kind of cool. And we got more screws. Try not to drop anything while we're doing this. There we go. Oh, we got multiple things. We got 1 and 2 are both standard, and we got some drill protection falling out here. 3 is standard, 4 is standard, and 5 is standard. Got 2 pieces of anti-drill protection, and actually it looks like you can move them. You can stick one over here, and then one right beside it, or you can stick it out in the front and have them offset. It's pretty cool. No threading in the core or anything like that. And let's see what we got upstairs. deep spool, a standard, a big deep spool, another spool, and a little spool. Springs are probably all the same on this. Yeah, those are all the same. Come on, baby. Focus. Oh, let's just zoom out and do it this way. So we've got some really tall, deep cut spools, and a standard, and a little tiny spool. And let's make the key here too while we've got it. Some pretty radical bitting on the key there. Some low out front and some highs hidden behind it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and we'll get some more videos out to you soon.